How to change your username on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to change your username on Discord. To change your username on Discord, you simply have to follow the steps. So what you need to do is open up Discord and then you'll be taken to this field, right? Click the use section from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen and then you could go to edit profile section. So there you have a name as well as display name. So in order to change your username, you could go and tap that up here. So display name basically means your username. So you could go ahead and make changes, just erase that and select what's actually appropriate and available and click on the save button. And this way you'll have successfully changed your username on Discord. Now this isn't the one, then what you could also do is actually, you could also go in and click on edit profile once again. And then you could go and click on this pencil shape icon, look for it. If you could find there, you could go ahead and make changes. Otherwise, you have to use a browser version and then you could go ahead and change your username on Discord. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.